The pictures are better.
Crazy and everybody's strapped, surrounded by niggas, but damn motherfuckers down to watch my back. These are the bitch made niggas. You can play nigga while you starving them broke. They full of 6 figures. Ooh, what can you do when you can't trust your group?
Yeah, can I get 10 double cheeseburgers, no onions to go?
10 double cheeseburgers, all of them no onions?
Yeah.